When searching how to start a cybersecurity career, you immediately hit a wall of competing advice. You are told to learn ethical hacking, master Linux administration, and memorize network protocols all at once. But at its core, the entire industry exists to do one thing: protect data. And because businesses, hospitals, and governments are facing more ransomware and data breaches every single day, organizations are opening thousands of roles for analysts and engineers to secure their systems in 2026. To get you to that point, we need to cut through the noise. Grab a physical notebook or open a blank digital document. We are going to map out an exact 8-step career roadmap. Moving through these steps sequentially helps you build a technical base, ensuring you don't waste time on advanced tools before you understand the systems they are meant to protect. Write down Step 1, Computer Fundamentals. Before you can secure a machine, you need to know exactly how it operates. Focus your first few weeks on understanding operating systems, basic hardware, and navigating the command line without a mouse. Next, write down Step 2, Networking. A single computer is rarely the target. Attacks happen across networks, making networking the infrastructure that connects everything in this field. This diagram shows a single data packet's journey. To track it from a user device, through a firewall, and to a destination server, you need to understand the protocols moving it along, specifically IP addressing, VNS, and the TCP/IP model. This is a common point of failure for beginners. Many try to skip networking because it feels tedious, but if you don't know why a packet reaches a server, or why it hits a wall at a firewall, you cannot diagnose a network intrusion. Once you have networking down, add Step 3 to your map: Linux Basics. The vast majority of professional security tools, servers, and ethical hacking environments run on Linux. You will need to be comfortable managing user accounts, setting file permissions, and using bash commands to navigate these systems. These first 3 steps form your bedrock. Understanding how systems operate and communicate is a strict prerequisite because you cannot protect or exploit a system you do not understand. Now you are ready for Step 4, Cybersecurity Fundamentals. This diagram represents the CIA triad, the core philosophy guiding security decisions. It illustrates the necessary tension between keeping data secret with confidentiality, accurate with integrity, and accessible with availability. Around that central philosophy, you will layer in specific defensive concepts. Your study should now expand into risk management, malware analysis, and web security policies. With the theory in place, record Step 5, Ethical Hacking. This is where you move into practical security testing, learning how to conduct vulnerability scanning and network assessments. Avoid the mistake of memorizing automated hacking tools before you understand the technology. If you rely on software you don't understand, you won't know how to adapt when that tool fails to find a vulnerability. Professional ethical hacking is about systematically identifying logical flaws based on your knowledge of those core concepts, rather than just deploying random software tools. To practice those systematic methods safely, write down Step 6, Build Real Skills, by creating a home lab. This schematic outlines a basic beginner lab. Inside a single physical host computer, you set up 2 isolated, virtualized environments, one running Linux and the other Windows. You then connect them with a virtual network bridge to practice attacks and defenses. Passive learning is another common hurdle. Watching videos of other people configuring servers won't prepare you for a technical role. You have to troubleshoot the configurations in your own lab. As you gain that hands-on experience, log Step 7, Earn targeted certifications. Look into beginner credentials like CompTIA Security Plus or Cisco CyberOps to validate what you have learned. Note that holding multiple certifications without hands-on lab experience often suggests to a hiring manager that you lack the ability to apply that knowledge to a real-world server. To demonstrate that application, write down your final milestone. Step 8, Construct your professional portfolio. This is where you document your learning journey. This layout shows the specific evidence recruiters look for: a structured PDF vulnerability report from a home lab project, and a technical blog article explaining a security concept in plain English. Certifications help your resume pass through initial automated filters, but the portfolio provides the technical proof a hiring manager needs to see to verify you can actually perform the tasks of a security professional. Look at your notes. This graphic summarizes the 8-step structural plan you now have in place, from computer fundamentals all the way through to your professional portfolio. Success in this industry is the result of consistent, incremental learning. You are building a career one skill at a time. Your first task is to spend 30 minutes today executing Step 1. Open your browser and research how to navigate the Windows command line. A roadmap only works if you begin moving. Taking that first concrete action today is how you start turning these steps into a technical skill set.